Alright, got nothing on these things today, but I did get a pretty cool new little truck right here. Pretty cool little Ford Ranger. $1,000. It's not that bad actually. A little rough. Looks Bondo and stuff and whatever. It's one of them step side ones too, you know. Got a little step here and into the bed. Pretty sweet little truck for $1,000. It's not a manual though, it's a automatic. It's pretty cool little truck. Just has two little seats on the side. Oh, really cool feature. It has these windows that pop out. I don't think I've ever seen a Ranger with that. So, yeah, pretty cool little truck. I don't know.